Good morning, family. Welcome to today's vlog. So first thing I do when I wake up in the morning is to brush my teeth while Miss Nadia is still sleeping. So right after I brush my teeth and wash my face, I have to turn off the light and sneak through the room just so I don't wake Nadia up. Alright, so now we're clear. I'm in the hallway. I'm just gonna go ahead and make my way downstairs and start doing my morning routines. So first thing first, I have to get past two gates. We have one on the top of the steps, just in case we're upstairs and Nadia tries to sneak down. We also have one at the bottom of the staircase, just in case she tries to sneak upstairs. These gates have literally been a godsend. So once I make my way downstairs, I have to clean up the kitchen. So I'm just gonna pack some stuff up, put some stuff away, clean the countertops, the stove, open up the French doors, open up the windows, open up the blinds. And then after my cleaning, I just like to make myself a little cup of tea. This is when I get to do my skincare, answer some emails, do a little bit of work right before Nadia wakes up. So while I was cleaning, I actually spilled some stuff on my white robe. So I went ahead and changed into my pink one. So at this point, Nadia is up. So all I do is I go back upstairs and spend some time with her. So I have my tea and I also gave her a warm bottle of milk. So we just sit here, we talk, we bond, or I talk and she listens sometimes. But yes, Nadia has to have her bottle of milk every single night before she goes to sleep and every single morning when she wakes up. So this thing we're sitting on is actually her crib, but it's one of those convertible ones. So since she's not a baby anymore, we just went ahead and converted it to a day bed, and we went ahead and lowered it to the lowest level. That way she doesn't fall out of it. She can literally climb on and off of it. So Nadia's room is a mess. You guys can't really see that, but you'll get to see that in a minute. So I just need to deep clean her room. I need to put away all her summer stuff because it's getting cold, and I need to pack up all her fall and winter stuff so that it's reachable. But yes, tea time is over. It is time to clean. So Nadia spilled some stuff on the floor. So I'm just cleaning that up. And she's just being as busy as ever. Like right before she wakes up, which is about 10 in the morning, is usually when I have time to do stuff. So I can either edit, answer my email, clean up like you saw me do before, or just do anything else. Once she wakes up, you have about 10 to 15 minutes of quiet time with her. After that, that is it. She is busy, like busy throughout the day. She is getting into stuff. She's pushing stuff out of the way. She's trying to discover this and that, and she's just a busy girl. And we just went ahead and bolted all her drawers and covers onto the wall so that it doesn't fall on her because, like I said, she's very, very busy. So I'm teaching Nadia to brush her teeth in the mornings, but she doesn't really understand it. So every morning when I wake her up, I put her robe on. I give her her milk, which is like her tea or coffee. And then I gave her her toothbrush to brush her teeth afterwards. But she doesn't understand it. And I think she's trying to tell me that I need it more than she does. So every time I try to brush her teeth, she tries to brush my teeth. And I'm like, girl, okay, I get it. It's early in the morning and yeah, but I promise I already brushed my teeth. it back up there. No, Nadia. Nadia, put your shoes back up there. Put it back up there. Nadia, put your shoes back up here and let's go. Come on. Nadia. Nadia. So when Nadia got home this morning, he took over and I snuck off to get my nails done because I needed it bad. And I also had to catch the early morning appointment because otherwise I would have been waiting for hours. But I'm glad I was one of the first people to get my nails done and I have the rest of the day to do whatever I want. So I just got some super cute scrubs, and for those of you who follow me on Instagram, you've already seen this. But for my YouTube people, I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this and try it on so you guys can see. Look at this top. I love the design. I even like their logo. You guys are not going to be able to see this very well, so I'll try it on and show you guys. How cute. Oh my God. Matching face mask for your outfit. Awesome. Let's see what the bottom looks like. So this is what the bottom looks like. This is so cute. Again, I'm going to show you guys this a little later, but these are so cute. Look at the waist. Oh my God, so cute. So I just have them laid out here. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on and see how they look. I like a monochrome look, so that is why I went for these comfortable shoes, but we'll talk about that in a minute. This is what the first set looks like. I don't know if this is doing it justice. This is so cute, so comfortable, so well made. Like, I could go on and on. So the top, you can button it all the way up like that, or you can leave it open as I have it here. It has some pockets right here. It also has a pocket up here, which is important for a nurse because you're gonna end up with so many things in your pocket and you're gonna need space. So that is perfect. And then you guys, the fit is everything. And the back, I can't really show you guys the back, but it has some pockets in the back here as well. And then, oh my God, like so pretty. And then the best part is the fact that it has matching masks. I also went ahead and switched up the shoes. You guys, this is the shoes that I got from a brand a long time ago on Instagram. These shoes literally feel like cloud. They're so super comfortable, especially for those shifts where you're on your feet all day. These are super comfortable. And yeah, guys, I'm absolutely in love with it. Look at this. You can't really see it, but Nadia and Nadia are out there watering the grass. This is super cute. Let me go up here. There you go. You can see it better. But they're out there watering the grass, and she is stuck on her dad, so he basically had to take her with him in order to water the grass. As you guys know, we recently moved here, so our grass needs a lot of TLC. So we have just been having to take some care of it. Our backyard is pretty big. It wraps all the way around the house, as you can see there. That is our deck. And it's been really hot lately, so we have just been taking some measures to basically grow the grass back, water it, just so it can look healthy. We are going to put a swing set back there. The deck we haven't really done anything to. We're gonna put some outdoor furniture. We're gonna get a grill. We're just gonna get a whole bunch of stuff, guys. But this stuff is a process. It is a very long and expensive process, but we are just doing our best to do it little by little. So while I was out doing some work, I did ask Nadia and Nadia to put the chair covers back on because it is the weekend and we do spend a lot of time on the main floor of the house. So this is basically how that went. All they did was play around for about 30 minutes, but they finally got it done. So the reason we cover the chairs, especially on the weekends, is because we do spend a lot of time at home, and as you can see, we have all white furnitures, so we like to keep them clean. So the best way we've found to keep them clean is to cover them with a chair cover. I did find these chair covers on Amazon. They were pretty inexpensive, and I did try to get something that actually matches the chairs so that it doesn't look too off. But yes, if you have couches and love seats and sofas that you're trying to protect, especially if you have kids, the best way to do it is to find a really great chair cover to cover them up. So we did stop by the grocery store because we are literally out of everything. This right here, this is habanero pepper. There is no African food without this pepper or any kind of spicy pepper. We love our spice. The spicier the food, the better. So anyways, we just grabbed a few essentials for the house, and we always use the self-checkout because it's easier, it's faster, and there's less hassle. Plus, not a lot of people know how to use it, so the line is usually very short. So these are some of the stuff we got. I got my apple cider vinegar. Yay! And then in here, I just needed a few oranges, and I also needed a few lemons, trash bags, and then most importantly, let me show you guys this. I got my month's supply of aloe vera. So this, for you guys who always ask me, this is the fresh aloe vera leaf. These are pretty inexpensive, y'all. All of this, I think I got like 4 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I got 4. All of this only cost me like $4. So it's pretty inexpensive. Honestly, sometimes the stuff that are really inexpensive are the really effective stuff, like your aloe vera, your apple cider vinegar. And by the way, this is the brand I use, the one that says Bragg. And it also says with the mother. That thing down there at the bottom, that is what the mother is. So that is just little particles of, I'm not sure what, but so yeah, so I just got my weekly supply of stuff and I'm super excited. What are you doing, Nadia? What are you doing? Are you cooking? Nadia. Is that a starfish? Can I see the starfish? Nadia, show mommy the starfish. Can I see the shovel? You show mommy the shovel? There it is. Good girl. So for dinner, I'm going to be making chicken pineapple quesadilla. This is a super easy but very delicious recipe. I actually got this from my HelloFresh subscription, not sponsored. So Nadia and Nadia went off to do something, so I actually didn't have anybody to help me with the camera. I literally just filmed this in the way that you guys will be able to see what I'm doing, but you won't be able to see me. But trust me, this is going to turn out so good. So instead of using chicken, I'm actually using shrimp this time because I was really craving some shrimp. So dinner's over. I've done my skincare routine. Nadia's in bed and it's time to go to bed. Thank you all again so much for watching. I love you guys and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.